It is often understood that India has to travel a long distance in terms of achieving excellence in the sphere of higher education. The situation is not different when it comes to social science research. In this context, research capacity building program conceived by the Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation is our modest contribution towards addressing this problem. It is well known that there is no dearth of research capacity building program in our country. However, by design, content and implementation, we have invested substantial energy to ensure that this program stand head and shoulders above what is available in this country at present.
Gulati Institute has initiated the Research Capacity Building Program 2 years back to facilitate the creation of an interactive learning platform for the research capacity building of scholars. We believe that a good research need not merely conceptual capabilities, but also a thorough command on methodological strategies and techniques. So we designed this course to make participants proficient in statistical method, academic writing, and also to provide an in-depth exposure to various databases. We have successfully completed 2 editions of the Research Capacity Building Program. This edition is going to be a value addition to it. We hope this edition will be more effective and comprehensive for the participants. Thank you.
We are offering this program because of the overwhelming, encouraging responses and feedbacks we got during the last 2 years. This time we have somewhat revamped the program. We will have 4 modules this time, and the 4 modules are the theory part, theory behind the research methodology, then methods, then we have data sources, and finally academic writing and research ethics.
Vaidyanathan's famous formulation of a PhD scholar, somebody who can do disciplined research. And that disciplined research essentially means sticking to the canons of research, that is the methodological matters which you're going to do right now, and then the ethics of research.
Basic necessity is your imagination. Even you know that developing imagination, you need not want a knowledge at all. Develop your imagination. All of you must have if you want to have a research mind, imagination is more important than knowledge.
The core of the program, that is quantitative, qualitative and mixed methods, starting with statistics. Then we will come to econometrics. In econometrics, we will consider cross-section, time series and panel data. All this we will do with the free package called Grittle. Dependent variable is qualitative one, a categorical variable. But the independent variables are metric, that is quantitative variables. In that case, we have what is called the linear discriminant analysis or the multiple discriminant analysis. 3 factors together explain 88.9 or 90%. Okay, 89, that is 90. Nearly 90% of the variance in the system.
Most of the time, our Indian students are taught to run the models, but they are not taught how to prepare the data for running the models. So we are here going to help you prepare the data. or bring the data in a desired form where you are able to run the model that you want to run.
The package name WB Open Data, comma, indicator. This is for export, EXP export, and this is for import. Then clear and long. These are the features, information, extra information that is there in the WDI data package.
You have this regression equation matrix sum. So learning matrix algebra is very much useful both for our practical, programming purposes, as well as we want to learn data analytics theory, that is econometrics or time series or any other machine learning models.
After the budget is prepared, a review of the budget should also be taken on account of the accountability.
I would encourage all of you to, if you have questions which need qualitative, to do it, but for sure get yourself, read the necessary material, and do a few practice things before you jump into this rich and challenging method of research. It's very, very useful. It's an amazing tool, but you need to use it and teach yourself.
We have to write in a way the reader understands. Otherwise, there is no point writing, right? And that's why Somerset's this quotation becomes very useful. One should aim at lucidity, simplicity, and euphony.
The course was pretty insightful for us as researchers. We have imbibed a lot in the quantitative analysis front, or in dealing with different softwares and so on, so which we are sure will help us in the long run.
We also had an opportunity to interact with several renowned personalities who are well versed in the field of research capacity building. In addition, we were also exposed to several data analytical packages and softwares, so that now we are able to navigate through these platforms with much ease.
I attended part 1 of the RCBP program of GIFT last year, 2021. It's an extremely useful program I have seen. What sets apart the program from all others? First is the syllabus, most comprehensive, can suit any or the most rigorous PhD programs in the country. Second, the faculty. I've seen outstanding faculty who can explain the most complex statistical, econometric theories and practical issues. And third, the coordinating team, led directly by Dr. K.G. Joseph, the director of the institute. All the students are taken along. I benefited immensely from the program, and I'm enjoying the benefits of that.